Hey guys! Welcome back to Tech It Simple. Today, I'm gonna show you how to turn off your notifications for the Webull app. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your settings. Next, you'll see status bar and notification. Click on that, which will lead you to this page. You'll see the Manage Notification option. You have to click on this. Now, search for the app. For instance, I'm searching for Webull. After you find your app, click on that, and you'll see this option where notification is enabled. Now, your notification is turned off. So, this is how you turn off your notifications in the Webull app. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.